P.
P A S A.
This is a very tricky word. Do you know it?
This one is always green, so I don't need to taste that because it's always green.
Okay.
I don't need to taste that. Only the blue I can trace.
Okay. So what does that say? Dear Santa, I want to dress up as a princess. Please come visit me. Love, Chrissy.
Where is Love Chrissy?
Does it say love, Chrissy?
I don't see Love Chrissy.
Do you see love, Samantha?
It's down here.
What does that say?
Dear Samantha. Dear Samantha.
There you go. Silly mommy got it wrong. Are we going to put this in Santa's mailbox on Main Street?
Let me color two circles.
Okay.
3 circles.
All right. Tell Santa you love him.
Love Santa.
Hey, how does that song go? You better watch out.
Watch out, you better watch out. Where watch out? I tell you what. Santa Claus is coming. He knows you are sleeping. He knows when you are awake. He knows you are bad. Oh, but for goodness. Oh, you better watch out.